Hi everyone, how are you guys? Today we will make a very easy step-by-step watercolor tutorial, and it's just very simple and very easy. So all we have to do today is we are going to make a circle. So just grab any tool that you have around you. If you have this, put this and make a big circle. Or if you have like a cup of tea with you, or if you have this, you just put it there and then you make a big circle out of it. And then that's the first step, just make one big circle. And then second step is we are going to use a big brush to wet the whole circle with water. So just apply it generously. Make sure that you basically get a thick paper for watercolor so that you can do this at least 250 GSM, so that the paper is thick enough to be able to handle the water. So just make sure that you just put all the water around it like that. That's it. And then what you have to do is just grab a very tiny brush with very sharp tip like that, and then dip it inside the water. My water is a bit murky, apologize. And today we are going to use this particular palette, which is dark browns and a little bit of green. So let's see what we can do today. I don't particularly have a particular technique, so I am a self-taught person. So you dip my brush like that, and then I would just try to keep it in line, introduce the color like that. If you can see, I'm going to make it bigger so that you can see what I'm doing. So there is no real technique. You just basically introducing the color to the water that you have put there. So you create that really beautiful spread. The water will do this for you, so you don't really have to do anything besides just introduce the color into the equation. And if the paper looks a bit dry, just put and apply more water to it. So just make sure that your paper stays a little bit damp so that you can have a surface that you can introduce the water into. And that's just the basic of the painting. And just keep doing the same with the other color. And use your imaginations in how you want to do this. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so this is not green. This is black or gray. I basically I spilled my no, I basically flipped my palette over the other day, and then everything just went everywhere. So that's a very nice color combination. I really like this, especially for autumn. So that's not green, but that's just like paint gray or something. So you just go around the circles, introduce the color into the water, and let the water does what it does best, and let the paint does what it does best. It's basically to populate the color, and let the water does its job. And if you need a little bit of friendly reinforcement, you just put a little bit of water. There you go. Very easy, there is no necessary training that you need to do. It's just you, 2 colors, this and that. It's not even 2, it's not even 4, and then you just have to keep going like that. That's it, we're done. There's no more thing to be done. Very simple, very aesthetically pleasing watercolor. And the last thing that you need to do is just sign it. Just sign. Make sure you know who made it. Everyone knows. Ballerine. There you go, guys. You just basically made your first masterpiece. And hopefully you guys enjoy that. And I will see you guys later. Very easy.